Hi guys, and welcome back to our vlog. So today I'm here in the Adelaide Hills with my mum. I've taken her out for Mother's Day, so let's see what we get up to. Juicy. There's something so satisfying about picking fruit off a tree. Not only do these apples look good, but they taste amazing. Pink lady apples are definitely one of my favorite. We laughed, ate some apples, took some photos. What a great experience to do. We stopped at Marshy's Kitchen in Stirling for some breakfast. It's such a cozy cafe. It has an indoor fireplace and the food was divine. Check out the inside. How cute is this decor? Visiting the Adelaide Hills during autumn is just magical. Hello, you're so cute. There's so much to do here in Stirling. You can go and explore the local boutiques, buy fresh produce, stop at a cozy cute cafe, have something to eat, and just enjoy the scenery. There are so many cute spots you can stop and eat at. The Stirling Hotel is one of them. Check it out. One thing about the Adelaide Hills, I love that there is always a fireplace around. You can always spot some farm animals around when driving up in the Adelaide Hills. How cute are these horses?